All right, it's time. It's definitely time. Of course. We have the ultimate in geek cool right here coming up. I have been wanting to get this thing for 20 years. Notice it says, "This is not a toy." Nope. Can you guess yet? Of course you can guess. Any geek worth her salt can read that. We have here the USS Enterprise pizza cutter. And I have been waiting to get this thing for a long, long time. Product dimensions, not a toy, used with extreme care, functional sharp edge, keep away from children, live long and prosper with all your digits. All right, so I'm going to set you down here for a minute. Oh, there's no way around it. I'm just going to have to, oh well. Yeah, and I have the Den of Geek Everything that's kind of overloaded right now. Competing franchise. All right, give me a sec. Let's put this here. And let's see about this unboxed here. All right. So it was not tape sealed. So, and given the status of the box, which I am going to keep, of course, it looks like this may have been out of the box at least once. Yeah. But all the packaging is present. And here we go. Size-wise, give you an idea. And perspective is tough on the phone cam. But yeah, this is a decent sized pizza cutter. And it is etched with the NCC-1701 on the top. Looking at the construction, looks fairly solid. It does have a little bit of a rattle to it. Definitely needs to be watched. They're not kidding, that pizza wheel is a little sharp. They're not joking there. I have a feeling it's going to do just a fine job of cutting pizza, because this one is definitely going to be a functional pizza cutter as far as I'm concerned. I might even take a little mineral oil and lube that saucer on where the rotation happens. But load the pepperoni torpedoes, man, because this thing's gonna cut. Oh yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Can you tell I'm just like cheesing like a boy from Wisconsin? Yeah, that's right. All right, man. I'll let you go. But yeah, this is the Enterprise Pizza Cutter, live and in person here at my house. Which I told you, Eric. I told you I was going to get one. All right, man. Live long and prosper, everybody, with all your digits.